Alright, here's a song, Hello, English Visayan version. Requested song. I've been alone with you beside my mind, and in my dreams I kiss your lips 1,000 times. Sometimes see you pass outside my door. Hello, isn't me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes, I can see it in your smile. You're all I ever wanted, my arms are open wide, 'cause I know just what to say, and I know just what to do. I want to tell you so much I love you. Alright, so here's a Visayan version by Yoyoy Villame.
Titiyawang ipati kong kaulaw sa mga bisitag silingan kung anak tanaw. Wa madugay ni singgit sinoy padong hilaw. Pasdelan ang kanon ulag sabaw sa akong katingala. Mga bisita ng layas na, si tatay nagpagulbol, ako lang yun iyang ibasol. Tungkol niyan tong hitapua, mga barkada mo yamit na, kusinirong way tinongdan, nagdako lang ang tiyan. Mas pinag ginoon eh.
Right! Ito may katuwaan lamang, no? Requested by my friend. So, enjoy lang kami dyan, ha? Yeah! Isn't me you're looking for? 'Cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what to do when you're somewhere feel lonely with someone other than you.
Tungkol niyan tong hitapua, mga barkada mo yamit na, kusinirong way hinungdan, nagdako lang ang tiyan. Sus, ginoon rin.
Thank you.
So mga ka-Janrak, shout out nga pala kay Idol Rolly Magramo El Cabrigas, ni paring Christopher Tupe Cadena, ni Bay Boyet Galinsuga Dotaro, Alutits 87 TV, Jimmy Abraham, Terfax Piano, Julius Bualan, Di Guzman Kids Vlogs, Sano Ligtas, and Wendell De Lima. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.